Have you ever felt like life dealt you a rough hand, facing challenges that seem insurmountable? You're not alone. As a man, life will beat you down, and when that happens, people count you out. They'll think you'll never achieve anything. Listen, everyone will always underestimate you. You must make them pay for it, and the only way to do that is by making a comeback. A comeback so great it shuts everyone up. I still remember when life beat me down. I was lost, hurt, and felt pathetic. But I knew people would love for me to stay down. They'd love for me to never reach my potential. That's when a fire lit within my belly. This is not where my story ends, I told myself. That's when I vanished and reappeared a few months later to shock the world. I'll tell you 4 steps to turn your life around and make the greatest comeback of your life. Step 1. Go ghost mode. Most people seek attention. They constantly feel the need to post something on social media because they want validation. Pathetic. Every great man that has ever lived had a period where he wasn't seen by others, a period where no one even knew what he was working on while he was making moves in the shadows. This is called ghost mode, and it's the very foundation of any comeback. Listen, ghost mode is extremely powerful. You'll accomplish amazing things without the distractions of the outside world. But I must warn you, going ghost mode isn't easy. In ghost mode, you mute the outside noise, and when you do that, you are left with yourself. You'll be confronted with your dark emotions when you walk this path, and that's why most people fail to go ghost mode. They can't handle their own darkness, pain, and trauma, so they quickly distract themselves. They'll go back to playing video games or scrolling on social media. But if you really want to make a great comeback, you have to embrace your own darkness. You have to use your dark emotions as fuel to grind even harder. Step 2. Learn a new skill. When you've vanished and cut off distractions, it's time to learn a new skill. This is a crucial part of your comeback. Pick a skill that will earn you money and bring you freedom in the future. I advise running a faceless channel because there are countless ways to make money with it, and it's the perfect combination with ghost mode. In fact, it's what I did when I went ghost mode. I knew nothing about faceless channels on YouTube. The truth is, I still can't even edit my own videos to this day. I don't create my own thumbnails either. And yet I run many big faceless channels that bring in money passively because I mastered faceless channels during my ghost mode. All the other skills are irrelevant to me. I want you to understand that you don't need a million different skills to achieve greatness. You don't have to be good at everything. All it takes is one good skill to change your life forever. Now, you can pick any other skill too. It doesn't have to be faceless channels. Just make sure you pick a good one and get started fast. Listen, the faster you get started, the sooner you will make the great comeback of your life. Most self-improvement dorks don't learn any new skills. They read books and watch YouTube videos endlessly. Skill. Why? Because knowledge is of no value unless you put it into practice. So don't just learn 1,000 random things like the self-improvement that never accomplish anything. Instead, pick a single skill and put it into practice. That's how you learn.
Step 3. Vengeance. The first 2 steps are more than enough for you to make a massive comeback, but I'm going to share something powerful with you to help you push even further. Seek revenge. Think of anyone who ever did you wrong, all your haters, all your enemies, and seek vengeance against them, but not in a fire. You're going to kill them with success and bury them with your achievements. We live in a snowflake world, and a lot of people will disagree with this. They'll say things like, you should only do it for yourself. Shut up. This is for yourself. You are using other people for extra fuel. My brother, productive vengeance. And to take it a step further, it can even be revenge against events or circumstances. It doesn't even have to be a person. If you've seen your mother struggle to pay the bills as a child, your productive vengeance may be against never having to see your mother hurt like that again. Anything that puts anger within you can be used. Make a list of your enemies, write down all the things that caused you pain, and then go on a
Tribe of
mission
Noise Music.
to punish them with your success. Step 4. The list of great. Productive vengeance is using negativity as fuel and
Tribe of
competing
Noise
against
Music.
the world. It's extremely effective for making a comeback, but you must also compete against yourself. You do this by making a list of great.
Tribe of Noise
I want
Music.
you to think of the man you want to become, the better version of yourself. Now think about all the great qualities he has. What is the man
Tribe of
you
Noise
want to
Music.
become doing? Write those things down on a list. I'll give you a few examples. He never gets distracted by entertainment or cheap
Tribe of Noise Music.
on a mission. He carries stress and problems others can't handle. He does not chase instant gratification, but always delays
Tribe of Noise
gratification
Music.
for bigger rewards. He controls his emotions. Make a full list of the qualities that a great man has and put that list up somewhere where
Tribe
you
of
can
Noise
see it.
Music.
This way, you are constantly reminded to stay in line with that man, and you can correct yourself the moment you're veering off course.
Tribe of Noise Music.
You will become that man. In short, all you need for your comeback season are no distractions, a new skill, and endless.
Tribe of Noise Music.
Your time is coming. They just don't know it yet. By the way, if you want to level up in life, don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe
Tribe of
button.
Noise Music.
Until next time.